Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. Today we are in the workshop. We got motorcycles and I'm excited to announce that I found some shop space. This is my garage and my wife likes to park her car here and my kids like to do their things here, and I've kind of taken over and I need some shop space for quite some time. My wife said, get yourself some shop space, and she's been saying there for the last 9 months. Finally found a space. It's not ready, but what we can do is start to get ready by building some of the tables, some of the workbenches, some of the motorcycle stands, some of the merchandise pieces. Of course, I like to get the cart in front of the horse, or manifest things as some people call it, but I like to make the space, make the stuff. I got some ideas from out west, out of Venice Beach on Abbot Kinney. There's some great shops up there. I got some really simple shop shelving ideas. Today we're gonna get started with one of those. Now, I'm either going to make a basic work table, display table for some retail like t-shirts and helmets and things and hats, or I'm gonna build a platform for a motorcycle to get on. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna do yet. We'll just sort of spread the tape measure, get the pencil, and get into it. Now, either way, whether I build a work table, workbench, display place, or a motorcycle platform, it's gonna be 24 inches wide, which I went ahead and made a line. My chalk box is broken, so I had to take the long way around with a level and a tape measure and measure it in sections. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this to two 2-foot wide by 8-foot long sections, and I guess we can go from there. We're gonna do a 6-foot long by 2-foot wide table with 2 levels. By 4, left to right. All right, now that I've got my runners for both sides of the platforms, the length we're gonna do width. We're gonna do a couple 2x4s left to right, fill this thing out, and get it framed up. All right, so now that I've got everything set up and cut, we're gonna go ahead and put screws on either side of this, and then we'll get ready to frame the legs of it. All right, and since we got it all framed up and pieces cut, we'll go ahead and throw some 2.5-inch sheetrock screws in these, get them all tied in tight, and we'll put it together. Well, there we have it. Very simple workbench slash retail table. Either way, I see some motorcycle t-shirts and coffee cups on it in the future. Something cool. We might build another 1 or 2 of these. Next thing, we're probably gonna build a nice little platform for that guy, which is what this wood was supposed to be originally for. I'm out of breath. Hey, if you liked the video, hit a like. Don't forget to subscribe, it helps the channel. And if you like this video, let me know in the comments. What did you like? This is the world's simple table build. Anybody can do this.